Hey friends, I just wanted to make a quick video just in case I'm not able to make it to school um, about what you're doing today, what the expectations are. So you'll see that I do have bell work scheduled for you. It's just to take the practice quiz. It's the same exact practice quiz as you see down here, number 3, practice quiz friction, gravity, and Newton's laws. I would like for you to take this practice quiz as many times as you need to get 100% on it. It's really good practice for the assessment that we'll be taking in a couple class periods from now. And remember that your motion skills check corrections are due today by 11:59 p.m. The form is linked. Remember that I need you to tell me what question number you're working on, what your original answer was, what your new answer is, and why, and then put that into the Dropbox. And then I also need you to watch these Newton's Laws videos and finish up that packet if you didn't do that last time. Hopefully you have some of the packet done. I'll be making a separate video to talk about different pages in those packets because I did get multiple emails from students saying that they were confused on some of the pages because I was not there to be able to teach all of Newton's Laws. So I will be making a video right after I finish with this one to help you with specific pages on that packet. And then we will not be doing the lab discussion today if I'm not there, so we'll push that off, which gives you more time to start the forces review sheet. I would like for you to have a good chunk of that done before class next time. So your goal should be get 100% on this practice quiz, finish up the packet, and have at least half of the review sheet done. So if you need to do any of that for homework, that is your prerogative. Just however much you need to do in class or outside of class, do what you need to do to finish up 100% on the practice quiz, finish the packet, your rough try. We'll go over it together next time. And then at least half of the review sheet. If you could have the whole review sheet done, that would be even better since we have to make up this lab discussion when I'm back. Okay? All right. Thank you very much.